to Njenje Media Channel. I remain yours, Mike Udenta. Today, let me speak to us as Nigerians. We are all going to die here. Our chicken, the chicken that we've ordered, and the guinea fowls that we have ordered are coming home to roast. Atiku's son has tested positive to coronavirus. He is in Gwagwarada Hospital. He is not in Dubai. Here, there is no Dubai strategy. He is here in Abuja. Either he survives or he dies here. The president, Muhammadu Buhari, is in town. There are no international conferences and he's going nowhere. If he needs attention, he will have to use the State House Clinic. The State House Clinic, where they've budgeted over 5 billion naira, yet they do not have simple hand glove. Neither do they have a functional syringe to insert common injection. The expression "we die here" is now so real. Who would ever thought that that would be that real in this time? Once we become full of the virus, Covid-19, no one will allow us into their countries. Those countries that we run to will no longer allow us to come in. If we have no test kits, then we stay here and dig our graves and bury our deads. If we have no ventilators, then we will use our table fans and we'll die like that because our mumu never do. We all die here. That statement has become so real. If the bishops and the imams refuse to listen, they will listen when the churches and mosques are filled with sorrow, tears, and coffins. Think about it. In the midst of all this nonsense happening, they're still calling for people to pay their tithe. Paying it electronically. There is no sense of giving back, trying to find solution and, tending to their members. If the National Assembly members won't submit themselves to tests at the airports, the chambers will become filled with coronavirus and become distinguished viral laboratories. There is no hiding place. Coronavirus knows no big man, knows no poor man. Nobody will be flown to London or Germany this time around. Even when Abakari came back from Germany with that virus as a gift to the presidential villa. Those of you abroad, those Nigerians abroad, will stay abroad. There is no doubt because you cannot come home. There is no flight. All flight to your homeland has been cancelled. Let Nigerians sit down at home. Let them sit down somewhere. If the virus could hold hostages and demand ransom, it could have helped us get our stolen wealth back. But the virus doesn't need your money. For the first time in Nigeria, if a minister falls and breaks his head, he will have to remain here and be treated here at home. One would only think all these people who were forming "I want to be flown abroad," Mena, Meto, and Co. Is it no longer time to drag them to court so that they would actually grant them that wish to go abroad because they will have nowhere to go? There is no test facility in the whole of the north and none in the east. Yet we have governors. We have governors lodge everywhere and we have them in flashy cars driving like madmen up and down, running you and I up the street. Yet we have thousands of teaching hospitals. What are they there for? Go to Abia, go to Kano, and go to Port Harcourt. You see nothing. UNTH, UCH, they cannot test for common coronavirus. When you dance with ineptitude, you invite death. We all must die here. Let this coronavirus be a test to us. Let it be an eye-opener to us to tell us that it is time we either fix this God-forsaken nation or we will all die here. I remain one and your only Mike Udenta. Once more, this is